Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this makeup look. For this look, I was inspired by Makeup Tiffany J on Instagram. This is the look of hers that I decided to recreate, and as you can see, it's bold, it's beautiful, I mean, it's everything. In her video, Tiffany was using the new Mcgrath Mothership 5 palette. I saw how beautifully it blended out, I saw the color payoff, and I had to get my hands on it. Yes, Mother Pat. Yes, Mother Pat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No palette has ever made me dance like this. Yes, Pat. Yes, Pat. I'm here for it. So your girl picked up the new Mcgrath Bronze Seduction palette, and I could not be more happy with my purchase. This palette is bomb. Before we jump into the video, I want to show you all really quick what the packaging looks like. It's very sleek, it's very luxurious, and the weight of the package is pretty heavy, so you're not getting any cheap packaging. On the back, it's nice and gold plated. So of course, inside the package, you have a beautiful mirror, and of course, 10 gorgeous, luxurious shades. I can't stop saying the word luxury because I feel like eyeshadow palettes don't get more luxurious than this. All right, enough rambling on. Let's jump into the video so you can see for yourself how beautiful the eyeshadows apply. So if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to prime my eyes with Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Warm Sand. I'm going to place it directly on the eyelid, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a dry beauty blender. To blend out those edges, I'm going to go in with the brush. To make sure we get a super straight edge, I'm going to go in with some tape. I'm going to pick up this color here from the Juvia's Place Sahara 2 palette for my first transition color. I'm going to pack it right onto the crease. And I'm also going to drag it out towards the temple. To blend out that color, I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I'm also going to mix in a little bit of this one too. I'm going to start blending right on the edge here. Next, I'm going to go in with this beautiful baby right here, the Mcgrath Mothership 5 palette. Y'all, there's no words. There's no words. I'm going to pick up the darkest color here in the palette and apply it right to the crease. This color is called Extreme Aubergine. That's probably the only con with the palette. The names aren't on the front. Other than that, I mean, this is luxury. This is eyeshadow luxury. I'm going to start blending that right in the crease. Be sure to bring the color up pretty high since we're going to be cutting the crease today rather high. I'm going to cut the crease with Makeup Revolution's concealer in the color C1. And remember, you want to cut the crease up pretty high. I'm going to take a Q-tip and some makeup remover and clean off the excess concealer on the lid. I'm going to do something a little bit unconventional, but I promise it works. I'm going to cut the crease a second time using a liquid lipstick. This one is by Lime Crime in the color Salem. I'm going to place it on the back of my hand. I'm going to take a flat brush and cut the crease right under the white line. Time to dip back in this gorgeous palette. I'm going to pick up the color Blitz Flame and apply it right to the lid. You guys, watch how this goes on. Oh my gosh. It's just so smooth and creamy. I mean, it's like butter. I don't know if the liquid lipstick is helping it go on so smooth and pigmented, or if the shadow is just this creamy by itself, but either way, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna pick up a smaller brush and take the color as close to the crease as I can. Next, I'm gonna go back in with Extreme Aubergine and add it to the outer corner. I'm gonna take some concealer and clean up the edge. Time to move on to the face. I'm gonna prime with Tatch's Silk Canvas. I'm gonna go in with this Glow Starter Lotion by GLAMGLOW. My foundation today is going to be the Maybelline Superstay Stick Foundation in the color 330 Toffee Caramel. Gonna blend that out with the Morphe M439. I'm going to conceal and highlight with Colourpop's No Filter Concealer in the color Medium Dark 36. I'm going to blend it all out with the Morphe E8. I'm going to cream contour with Colourpop's No Filter Concealer in the color Deep Dark 54. I'm just going to place it here on the cheekbone, a little bit on the forehead and jawline. Gonna set all the areas I highlighted with Sephora's Mattifying Powder Foundation in the color Golden Fawn. I'm gonna set twice for double coverage. I'm using the Mercier translucent powder mixed with Sacha Buttercup. While this bakes, I'm gonna do my brows off camera. And just like that, brows are done. I'm gonna go in and set my entire face with Sephora's MicroSmooth powder in the color Hazelnut. I'm gonna go in and bronze with Bobbi Brown's bronzing powder in the color Deep 4. It's time to work on the lower lash line, and pretty much every color that I used in the crease, I'm going to add it to the lower lash line, and I'm going to wing out the lower lash line to meet the eyeshadow here. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and just define that little wing there. While my lash glue dries, I'm going to go in with blush. This one is Bella by Juvia's Place. I'm wearing Lion Hearted Lashes by Cake Face Beauty. My lash glue is drying down, so I'm going to go ahead and prep my skin for highlight using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Before the setting spray dries down, I'm going to go in with a liquid highlight. This one is by L'Oreal in the color Golden Hour. I'm going to place it on the high points of my cheekbones. Then I'm going to go right in with a powder highlight. This one is Whisper of Guilt by MAC. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to go back in the palette and pick up this color here. I'm going to line my lips with Makeup Forever's Artist Pencil in the color Limitless Brown. I'm going to go in with Pat McGrath's Matte Trance Lipstick in the color 1995. Going to go in with one final round of setting spray. Okay guys, that completes this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video, which is twice a week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye. Got my Pat McGrath. Got my Pat McGrath. Got my Pat McGrath.